Hi guys, how are you doing? The summer is just around the corner and I want to talk about a small gadget that's really cool to add to your bike. A thermometer! Yeah, a small thermometer. I bought this on eBay, I will add the link below, and you can inspire yourself and develop as you like. You can install on the stem, you can install on the frame, on the handlebar, it really doesn't matter. To my bike, I made this small housing out of aluminum. It was made on the LED, it was like 30 minutes working, so it was very easy to do. The important thing is to have the central hole to fix it on your bike, and 2 or 3 or whatever you like holes in the top to let the temperature and humidity get inside the housing. Guys, thanks for the great support. I hope to see you soon.